to delete Gmail emails in bulk on any Android fast and easy. While the app doesn't offer the fancy mass deletion option like the desktop version, but there is a hack around there to quickly delete unwanted emails in bulk. So deleting multiple emails, step number one. So recently Gmail introduced the latest version of the app. If you have updated it in the latest version, so you would find this. So simply get into any section like this, and now simply tap on any email that you want to delete. So suppose we are deleting these emails. So simply select emails. So like I have selected the HDFC email, and as you can see there is an option added of select all. So it will select all the emails which is presented on this page. So simply if you scroll down to the bottom, like there are more and more emails loading. So you have to firstly do this, and when you tap on select all, you will see that 400 emails has been selected to delete in bulk on Gmail. And similarly you have to go down, and this is how you can delete bulk emails or Gmail emails on Android. Now there is a other method around it, which is simply go to Google Chrome web browser. Now here you have to search for Gmail. So basically open the Gmail website in the desktop version of it, and do the same process that you usually do to delete emails on your. If you guys find yourself in a situation where Gmail is opening something like this, so simply search for Gmail from here and go to Google in the desktop mode on your Chrome. Simply open the Gmail thing from here, and this will load the Gmail of desktop version. Now what you have to simply do is tap on this button right here, tap on this little this, and tap on all. So currently we have selected the 50 conversations. Now here is an option to delete, select all 20,000 conversation in primary section, and there is a delete button right there. So this is how you can delete Gmail emails on bulk on any Android device. So we hope you found the video helpful. If it does, like, share and subscribe.